explain exercise 2.4 or 6.4 eighth question. The question is very lengthy but answer is very simple. Okay. In figure O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC in that OD is perpendicular to BC and OE is perpendicular to AC and OF is perpendicular to AB. We need to prove OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. One more sub question is there. Right. So first we will solve this one, then we will solve the second one. So how will we solve here? Before that we need to write to prove. To prove what we need to prove? OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is what we need to prove. So here I am doing the construction. Just join AO and BO CO. What is the construction here? Construction. I'm just join OA, OB and OC. Now we have to get it OA square and AF square. So which are the sides of the triangle? It is OA square and OF square. Which are the sides of the triangle? Which are the sides? This one AF and OA. This one OA. So this triangle you have to consider, this is 90-degree angle. So by Pythagoras theorem, I am not writing always Pythagoras theorem, just write always one time. By Pythagoras theorem, we need to get what? OA and AF. So which triangle sides of the triangle? AFO. So triangle AFO, angle AFO is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, how will you write it? OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. Put that equation number 1. Next, you have to get it OB and BD. Which side it is? OB and BD. OB and BD. So which triangle you have to consider? The triangle ODB. So in triangle ODB, angle ODB is equal to 90 degree. Then this is 90 degree angle, this is opposite vertex. So OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. Put that equation number 2. Now what you have to get it? You have to get it OC and CE. Which are the sides here in triangle? OC and CE. So this is the side of the triangle. So which triangle it is? OEC. So in triangle OEC, angle OEC is equal to 90 degree. Now what you will get it? This is OC square is hypotenuse. So OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square. Put that equation number 2. Now what you have to do? You have to add this. So adding this, I'll take another paper here. Add OA square plus OB square plus OC square. So OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to, OA square is what? AF square plus OF square. And OB square is what? Plus BD square plus OD square plus CE square plus OE square. Now what we need to get it? We need to get this one. So OD, OE and OF, if you are taking to the equation other side, it become minus, you will get the answer. So OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square is equal to, balance it is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is what you have to prove. I hope you understood this one. So we got this one. Okay. The next second problem also is that we will solve that. Second one, the question is AF square AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BE square. So first we will write AE, CD, BF what you are getting. Then from the equation 1 only, this is equation number 4 you can write. So equation number 4, AF square plus BD square plus CE square we are getting. Only this, if we are grouping particular way, in a particular way, we will get the answer this one. So which are the triangle you have to consider, we will see. AE and AE you have to get it. AE, where is this is the triangle side, it is OAB. So OAB, that is OEA. In triangle OEA, angle OEA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this is the 90 degree angle. So OA square is equal to AE square plus OE square. But we need to get AE square here, right? So I am writing here AE square is equal to OA square minus OE square. Put that equation number 5. Clear, children? The same way you can write the next one. CD square. CD square which triangle? CD. CD this side. So this is the triangle you have to apply. Pythagoras theorem. So once I will write here Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Always no need to write. Okay. Now, which triangle you have to consider? In triangle ODC. In triangle ODC, angle ODC is equal to 90 degree. We need to get CD square here. So this is 90 degree angle. So you will get OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square, or CD square plus OD square. Put that equation number 6. Next, what you have to get it? BF square. BF square which triangle? This is BF. So you have to consider this triangle. Which triangle? BFO. So in triangle BFO, angle BFO is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, F is the right angle, then OB will be the hypotenuse. So OB square is equal to BF square plus OF square. But we need to get here BF square, that means OB square minus OF square. So here you have to prove that CD square you have to get it, right? So I am writing here CD square is equal to OC square minus OD square. This one you prove it as 6th equation and this is 7th equation. Here from here I have written. Okay children, until here you understood, right? Now you take the result here. This result you have to write it. This result what you are getting here. This result I am writing first right hand side, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. Just we need to group to get AE square. We need to get here what? AE square plus CD square plus BF square. From equation 5 what you are getting? OA and OE. So group it, that one. OA square minus OE square, this is first group, plus next you have to get it CD here. CD what you are getting here? CD OC minus OD. So OC minus OD. So OC square minus OD square, this is the second group. Plus next one what you have to get it here? BF square, right? BF how we are getting here? OB minus OF. That is only pending, right? So OB square minus OF square, that is AE square plus CD square plus BF square from equation 6, 5, 6 and 7. That is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. This is what we need to prove. I hope you understood this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.